What's your name? What's your name? My name is Jibon. What's your name? My name is Life. I'm not saying what is your name. I'm saying what's your name? Repeat after me. What's your name? What's your name? My name is. I'm not saying my name is. I'm saying my name is. My name is Jibon. What's your name? My name is Life. Repeat after me. My name is Life. What's your name? My name is Jibon. And then to be more exact, my name is Jibon Tomchonga. Excuse me, and then repeat after me. Okay. My name is Jibon. To be more exact, my name is Jibon Tomchonga. What is the meaning of to be more exact? The meaning of to be more exact mean like I'm from Chittagong, but originally I'm not from Chittagong, I'm from Rangamati. So that is why I have to say, to be more exact, I'm from Rangamati. Hey dear, I'm from Chittagong. To be more exact, I'm from Rangamati, district of Rangamati. Okay, so and then like my mom and dad are real. My mom and dad are real. I'm not saying my mom and dad are ill. No. My mom and dad are real. 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 Say with me. My mom and dad are real. My mom and dad are real. And then, where do you live? I'm not saying where do you live. Just where. Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I'm not saying I live in India. I'm saying I live in India. Say with me. I live in India. I live in India. I live in India. Where do you live? I live in India. Like, where are you from? I'm not saying where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. From India. I'm from India. Right? I'm from India. Right? Okay. So practice all day long. Practice makes a man perfect. Cheers, guys.